Over the last few years, so many people have said that with OTT Red and what we've got, the global membership, we need to hold our own kind of event. So in 2026, we're going to do it. And Amanda and I are here out in the desert at a location called Terra Solis that we're thinking is probably going to be the venue for something that we're going to call Winter Camp for 2026. Can you imagine the whole world of streaming coming out to the desert for Winter Camp?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So the vision for Winter Camp is to do something different, something disruptive, something that creates more collaboration between public service broadcasters, mainstream media, streaming media, the creator economy and media tech. And the vision that we've got is something more workshop based than panel based. Obviously we all want to hear the voices of experts and keynote speakers, but actually the opportunity that we've got to generate some output, some intellectual property that will mean everybody walks away with something more than just pictures of people speaking on a panel is something that excites me, and I think it's something that reflects the spirit of OTT Red as well. And this venue is the one that we're going to potentially be staging this at for the first time. What is your vision for Winter Camp?
Lots of workshops, fireside chats, discussions, networking, and quite a few cocktails.
So these rooms are the rooms that we're going to potentially have as meeting rooms for each individual company to sponsor or take for their own meeting rooms at Winter Camp. So any meetings that you want to do whilst Winter Camp is happening on the second day, these rooms will be available.
Yeah.
So you've seen the beach at IBC. At Winter Camp, this is really going to be the beach. This is going to be one of the meeting areas where people can just chill out. It'll be January in Dubai, so the weather will be fantastic. But this is going to be one of the areas where people can just do informal ad hoc meetings. This area is so cool. This is the residential area, and what we're talking about, they've got 4 different clusters of 6 tents out there, so we could have sponsorship opportunities for each cluster. Obviously these are where people would stay. It's going to be a 1-night stay over, but this whole area is just crazy. It's going to be fantastic for a disruptive event. This space is amazing. What excites me about doing this kind of stuff with OTT Red and the way that we can bring various dimensions of the sector together is being able to do it and make really memorable events. It can be game-changing and positively disruptive for the sector. So guys, that's it. Is Winter Camp happening?
Winter Camp is happening.
We're going to do it. We're going to do Winter Camp. We're going to make it happen.